Hi friends, welcome back with my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the discontinuous nature of solids. First, let's see what are the materials needed. A container of water, Condis, and a piece of white chalk. Okay, now let's see what is the method. Put small amount of Condis on the container of water and dip one end of the chalk in the solution. Observe what happens. Observation is purple color soaks up through the piece of white chalk. Conclusion is Condis moves up due to discontinuous nature of chalk. This activity confirms the discontinuous nature of solid. Okay, this is the end of my video. We will meet again for my next video. Then bye.